Graders, this is Mrs. Gustafson. Today in math, we're going to be working on subtracting in multiples of 10. We're going to be using our workbook. You will need a workbook, a pencil, and some crayons for today's activity. So please pause the video and gather those things now. All right, friends, we're going to work in our workbook on pages 52 and 53. They look like this. Go ahead and get that set up before you continue the video. All right, looks like we're ready to go. Our game is called Race to Zero. You'll notice that there's a player 1 and a player 2. It says player 1 here and player 2 here. You'll notice the number 90 is at the top of each one of these columns going down. The number 90 is our starting number. We're going to be subtracting from 90. Each player has a group of tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 for player 1. And for player 2, count with me, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This will allow us to keep track of our work. Now you might be wondering who's going to play with me. Today I brought in my daughter's bear. His name is Pandy the Panda Bear, and he's going to be player number 2. Mrs. Gustafson is going to be player number 1. I'm going to set Pammy the Panda Bear right here so she can help me with our work. To play this game, I have cards. This is my ones place, and these cards have numbers on them ranging from 1 through 4. Each one is different. I'm going to put them upside down. All right, I'm going to go first. I'm going to be player 1. Would you go ahead and make sure that your player 1 starts at 90. We're going to go ahead and flip the first card. Ooh, it says to subtract 20. 90, take away 20. I'm going to write in 20. I want you to do that in your workbook also. And then I want you to take away 20. There were 90 to start with. You're going to take away 10, 20. Count how many you have left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 90, take away 20 is 70. All right, I'm going to flip another one. Ooh, take away 10 this time. Ooh, I forgot. It's Pammy the Panda Bear's turn. I'm going to move it up here. Pammy is player 2. Her work is right here. Ready, Pammy?
Yes, I am, Miss Gustafson.
I'm going to subtract 10 for you. 90, take away 10. Down here on your player 2 section, I get to mark off that we did 10 away. There are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 left. Now the game is called Race to Zero. Right now, Mrs. Gustafson is closer to 0 than Pammy is. I have 70. Pammy has 80. I am closer to 0. Let's see what happens on my next turn. Ready? My next number, mine is take away 10. Well, that's not a lot. I'm going to go ahead and write it. 70 minus 10 equals, I have to mark off one more. I use 10 more. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Well, I'm definitely in the lead. But it's Pammy the Panda Bear's turn. All right, ready, Pammy?
Here I go, Miss Gustafson.
All right. Ooh, Pammy got negative 30.
Yay!
Wow. Okay, I'm going to move that up here. Pammy, 30 goes right here. I'm going to head and crossing out 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. There are 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 left.
Now I'm winning, Miss Gustafson.
You are, Pammy. You now have 50. That is closer to 0 than 60. So you're right, Pammy. You are winning now. All right, it's my turn again. And friends, make sure you are doing this in your workbook right along with me. If you need to pause the video and catch up, please do that at any time. All right, I got minus 20. Ooh, I'm going to go ahead and write that. So my equation is 60 minus 20. All right, cross out 10, 20, 60 minus 20 is 10, 20, 30, 40. Ooh, I'm getting pretty close to 0. Let's see what Pammy the Panda is going to do. Pammy the Panda is player number 2. Pammy the Panda gets, ooh, it's a big one. You ready? It's 40.
Yay!
Wow, that's fantastic, Pammy the Panda. 50 minus 40. Let's find out what that is. I had 50 here. I'm going to do 10, 20, 30, 40. Pammy, you only have 10 left. You are racing to 0, and you are almost there. All right, back to my turn. Mrs. Gustafson had 40. I'm going to subtract. Here's my number. Ready? 10. All right, go ahead and mark it. You know what to do. You're counting how many are left and writing the answer. I have 30 left to get to 0. Pammy only has 10. Okay, here's the deal though, Pammy. You have to land exactly on 0. We're not going into negative numbers. So I hope your next card says 10. If it doesn't, Pammy, you have to lose your turn. Ready?
No.
All right, Pammy, ready?
I am ready.
Oh, what a bummer, Pammy. I can't do 10 minus 30. That would go into negative numbers, and I need to land on 0. Sorry, Pammy, you lose your turn. It's my turn again, Pammy. Are you ready? My turn. I got 20. First grader, see if you can do this on your own. Pause my video. Go ahead and write in 20. Go ahead and mark in 2 boxes. Let's see if you did it. 30 minus 20 is my new equation. I need to subtract out 10, 20. Pammy, guess what? We are tied right now.
Oh.
But it is your turn, Pammy. Are you ready?
Yes, I am, Miss Gustafson. I hope I get a 10.
I hope you get a 10 too, because if you get a 10, you end up on 0. If you land on 0, you win the game. All right, here comes Pammy.
Yay!
Whoa, what happened there? It looks like you're excited. Are you predicting that you're going to end at 0?
Yes, because 10 minus 10 equals 0.
Let's check. 10 minus 10. You are right, Pammy. You raced to 0 and you won. Mrs. Gustafson still had 10 left. All right, friends, I want you to try to do the next game with me. We're going to go a little bit faster. I'm still going to be player 1. Pammy's still going to be player 2. I'm going to do something a little different this time, friends. I want to see if it helps you if I use different colors. So you don't have to use the same color as I do, but I challenge you to use different colors. All right, we're still going to have a 0 in the ones place. And Pammy, since I think you were the winner of the last game, I'm going to let you go first. Okay, Pammy?
Okay, Mr. Gustafson.
All right. We're going to start. Pammy, you get to start. You get to do 30.
Oh, that's a big number, Miss Gustafson.
It is a big one. You're going to be in the first place to win this game so far. Friends, go ahead and write in 30. Cross out 10, 20, 30. Count up how many are left and write it right here. Pause the video if you need more time. Did you come up with 60? Awesome. All right, it's my turn. I hope I get a big number just like Pammy the Panda did. I get -10. That's not a big number. That's not going to get me very much closer to 0. 90 minus 10. I cross out one box. I have 80 left. All right, friends, this time I'm going to switch colors. Hopefully that will allow you to see a little bit better what work we're doing each and every time. I'm going to move these up. And Pammy, it is your turn. Pammy, what number are you hoping for?
I hope for a big number of like 40.
Look at Pammy. You got 40. That's exciting. All right, friends, you know what to do. Go ahead and write it and mark your boxes. And tell me how many more to get to 0. Pause the video if you need more time. 60 minus 40. All right, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Pammy, you only have 20 more.
Wow.
I know, that's exciting. Oh, I hope I get a big number this time. I got the number 2. So that makes 20. That's not a very big number. First graders, you know what to do by now with this game. Go ahead and mark in 20. Show me how you mark in 2 of the 10s. And show me your answer. Again, pause the video if you need more time. All right, 80 minus 20 equals, ooh, I better count them. There's a lot of 10s left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Pammy the Panda is winning. Pammy, you have only 20 left, but I have 60 left.
Wow, I hope I get another 2.
All right, here it goes. Ready? Pammy gets -30. Oh, Pammy, can you use that one?
No.
Oh, what a bummer. You have to lose your turn this time. I hope you do better next time. Mrs. Gustafson got -10. Go ahead and mark that in, first graders. 60 minus 10 equals 50. I check my work over here. I mark in 1 10 gone, and I see that there are 5 10s waiting. All right, Pammy, it's your turn again. What are you hoping for, Pammy?
I hope I get a 20.
All right, let's see. What'd you get, Pammy?
A 10.
Well, that's pretty good. We can still use that, right?
Yes, you can.
20 minus 10. Make sure you mark it in both spots. 20 minus 10. Oh, Pammy, did you know you only have 10 left
Wow.
to get to 0? You're very close. I have 50 left. I am not as close as you are, Pammy. All right, my next turn. Let's see. I got 20, -20. I can use that one because it's less than 50. All right, here we go. 50 minus 20, 10, 20. There are 3 10 sticks left. 10, 20, 30. All right. What are you hoping for, Pammy the Panda?
I hope I get a 10.
All right, let's see, Pammy. Ready? Oh, Pammy, it looks good.
Yay!
You got a 10. But Pammy, we better double check your work.
Okay.
It's very important to check and make sure that it's correct. I'm going to move these up. Here we go. 10 minus 10. Oh, you probably did know that one in your head without even having to do the work. Pammy, you won the game twice in a row.
Wow,